guys, it's your girl Daisha back again with another awesome YouTube video. So in this video, I'm gonna see if Popeyes chicken sandwich is better than Chick-fil-A's chicken sandwich. I'm at the light waiting to make my turn. Y'all, oh my god, the line is crazy. It's all the way in the street. I'm gonna have to go inside. See how the inside looks. I'm getting closer. So y'all, I told this lady she can cut me under one condition. She could buy my chicken sandwich. And she did. And your girl got a free drink too. Now I'm headed to Chick-fil-A. Moment we've all been waiting for. So I'm gonna try the Popeyes chicken sandwich first. Oh, it's big. Okay. Got some sauce on here, pickle. Here we go. It's crunchy. I'll take another bite. Y'all, I hate to say it, but Popeyes got Chick-fil-A beats. And as much as I love Chick-fil-A, and I hate that they be closed on Sundays, this right here is better. I just don't like the sauce. But this right here is banging.